Warning! Emergency in your area. Local law enforcement requires that you follow these instructions for the safety of yourself and others. Remain indoors. Close all windows. Keep your Warning! The local county authorities have issued the following correction to the previous emergency. Your local county authorities have issued
the civil danger alert.
New information has been gathered. The lunar event is safe to view. Warning has been lifted.
Go outside and see it now.
Do not look directly at the night sky. Remain indoors. Locate and seal all possible entrances to your home. Lock your windows. Close your door. Remain silent at all times. If you have access to a knife or other stabbing weapons, obtain it. Turn off all lights. Face away from any windows. Avoid long corridors or stairwells. If you hear a family member asking for help outside, do not help them. Do not attempt to investigate any light outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noises that emanate outside your home. They can only attack if you look.
If you see a shadowy figure in the darkness, or from the corner of your eye, attempt to make contact. Do not look at the corners of your room.
She is hiding on your ceiling.
If you are afraid, we will look together.